Hey guys, it's Colorado Fishing Addict here. I'm going to be doing a review on the Leatherman Wingman. I just got this in the mail a day or two ago. I ordered it for about $45. I've actually used it, and it's spring-loaded. It's great. It's got, the only problem with this knife is that it's with this Leatherman, it's quite heavy. But other than that, it's got a nice needle nose. It's got a screwdriver. It's got a screwdriver on it. Works actually really well. It's got a flathead screwdriver. Works really well also. And also on the side, it may be hard to find, but you also got scissors right there. I can't get it out right now. Scissors right there. And then you also got a pretty good sized blade on it. Pretty sharp, so be careful. But on this side you got, I'm not actually sure what that is. But you also got a nail file, can opener. It's a pretty good Leatherman. I would definitely recommend to buy this. Bring around with me everywhere. It's got a nice clip on where you put it in your pocket. But I definitely, out of a 5, I would give it a 4.5. Other than the weight, it's a really good Leatherman. This has been Colorado Fishing Addict on reviews. And if you guys want me to do more reviews like this, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.